right, how's it going, auto repair world? My name is Kai. I'm with Tekmetric. I'm an account executive. So what that means is I talk to shops and just answer any questions that they have about joining the system. And if they want to sign up, they're able to do that. Today, I have a question for you. What is a DVI and what does that even stand for? A DVI stands for a digital vehicle inspection. And today I'm going to show you how you can use that tool, the DVI, to increase your average repair order by $112. I know that sounds really specific, but let's dive into it. So the age-old thing and fact that we know about in this industry is that the customers have a long-standing thing where they don't want to trust the mechanic, right? Maybe their dad told them, a family member, but the age-old don't trust the mechanic is something that still stands today in 2026. And what we want to do is turn the question from, should I trust this mechanic, to how can I not trust this shop or this mechanic? And to bridge that gap, we're going to use an inspection for a vehicle that is digital, a DVI. And what we're going to do with that technology and being able to use it digitally is send a text message, right? Because if you look at my screen, all of my customers here are in the estimate column. That means I need to create a quote or they haven't accepted my quote. What that means is that they have cars sitting on my lot if they've already dropped them off, right? And if those cars are on my lot, it's going to start to create backups in my shop. I want to move these customers over to work in progress, where we're able to actually start ordering the parts and actually start fixing the issues that they have. So with that, I'm going to send my customers a text message digitally that's going to allow me to get my approvals a lot faster to increase my efficiency. Because a lot of times in a shop, a customer wants to get their car done the same day, for example. So if they called you at 8 o'clock, you try to call them back at 12 for an approval, they don't answer. Then they call you back at 3 o'clock and want their car done the same day. That's just not going to happen. So we're going to get that text message sent out. So at 9, 10 o'clock, they can receive a text message on their 15-minute break and keep things flowing, right? So let's see what should be involved in a digital vehicle inspection, right? A digital vehicle inspection should have whatever the customer came in for and beyond. It's really anything that you see is wrong with the vehicle. You're going to take a photo, a video, or even attach a PDF to back up what you're saying. So it's really evidence to the whole situation, to the whole diagnostic of that vehicle and what you're looking at. So I mentioned earlier $112, right? And the reason why I said we or a system based on our studies can increase your average repair order by roughly $100 is because of the transparency. We did a survey across 11,000 shops, and what we saw was we're trying to equate the photo to the dollar. And we saw at the 8th photo, it increased your average repair order $112. So that's how we got that, and that's why I added 8 photos here, right? I don't want to take 7. I don't want to take 3. I want to take 8 or more. And that's what the top shops I talk to are doing on a daily basis. Right. So I have some notes here. I have some issues. Right. I pointed some things out. And that's what I want to do on my digital vehicle inspection. I want the customer to see everything. Right. Whether it's just something simple like a, rusty rotor that needs to be replaced, or something serious like a broken coil spring that they shouldn't drive, right? This type of thing is going to increase urgency in your shop. That's why it increases how much money you make, right? Instead of the customer saying no or giving you a partial yes, you get more yeses more often because it looks bad. So going over this whole digital vehicle inspection and having it being shared to the customer is very important. And not only that, you could add an inspection for different things, right? Like prior damage. I took a 360-degree photo of this Porsche 911 because it's expensive, and I don't want my shop to have to pay for that if they say that we scratched their hubcap or scratched their rims, even though a GT3 wouldn't have a hubcap. Moving on. So I'm going to share this, right, to the customer. And what this looks like when they see it on their phone is exactly what it looks like on my screen. It's going to show your beautiful logo And your whole branding is going to be distributed to the customer in a way that is making you look really professional. You want to look professional on a digital vehicle inspection, right? It's going to have your address in case they need to stop by, your phone number in case they have questions on this digital vehicle inspection, right? But they're going to see everything that has to do with their visit, what their vehicle has going on with it. So if we're looking here, we're looking at the vehicle history, right? And this is a report, and emotions get stirred up when a report on your vehicle that you use to drive to work on a daily basis. But we need to be cut and dry. We need to be transparent with the customer, and they need to see that their coil spring is broken, that their brakes need to be replaced right now. And then they have all the notes that they need to make a decision. A lot of shops that I'll talk to, right, they have a good relationship with their customer base, and they might say, hey, Kai, I really don't need this, right? My customers know me. They accept everything that I give to them on a quote. And I tend to challenge that sometimes on my calls, because what is more transparent than, even though you're being on that phone call and you have that relationship, why not send a text message to that customer right when they're on the phone with you and show them everything that you're saying, right? It's going to give you that same leverage that your shop has been able to grow over a long period of time, but it's going to enhance what you're already doing. So that's everything here that the customer needs to see about their vehicle, everything that is going well with the vehicle, everything that needs to be fixed. And when you have that transparency, that's going to do a lot for your shop. It's going to allow you to get more on your average repair order, in this case, an extra $100, multiplied by how many vehicles you see in a month, yields some great results. It's also going to allow your efficiency to go up, right? Because you're allowing these customers to move right to the right, like I was showing you earlier, and getting these cars off your lot. But it's also going to build a professionalism and a trust with your customers that they're really going to appreciate. And there's one more thing it does. It's going to reduce how many phone calls you get, right? Because if you're able to send a text message and they can approve that over the phone, that's one less phone call. And we all know how important one less phone call can be, especially when it stacks up over a month, over a year's time. Now you can spend more time with the customers that have questions about what you're sending them, and not chasing customers just to get an approval. But that's it. My name is Kai. I'm an account executive with Tekmetric. If you have any questions, feel free to go to tekmetric.com and book a demo.